I'm waxing the shoes that I've drawn with the junting and hot wax in order to keep them white. I'm now applying bright gold dye to the cloth, and I'm waxing this as my background colour, again using a junting and this time a brush. Brown dye is applied, batik done. This is a face reveal of two gorgeous musicians, and I'm waxing the areas I wish to keep white. I'm now putting grey all over the cloth, and I'm waxing the areas I wish to keep this particular shade. And now you can see who they are, Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. I'm drawing my pride flowers with a soft pencil, and I'm waxing all my outlines white with a junting and very hot wax. I'm now putting on yellow dye, orange, red, green, blue, purple, brown and black. I'm waxing my petals to protect them. My final colour now goes on, a strong dark brown, and my pride flowers are complete. I've drawn out my beetles with a soft pencil, and now I'm putting a tan all over my cloth. I'm now waxing the areas I wish to keep this particular shade with a junting, hot wax, and also with a paintbrush. I'm now making Ringo blue and George orange, Paul green and John red. And my beetles are complete. Bright lemon dye sprayed over my flower stencil, and I now wax this colour to keep it as my background shade. Orange and pink dyes are applied to the flower in a relaxed and easy way, and I wax these shades with a brush and hot wax in the pattern that I've chosen. Purple dye is now applied all over the fabric. I'm waxing the areas of this abstract pattern I've drawn to be white, using a junting, hot wax and also a brush. Lemon dye is now applied to the cloth. I wax the areas I wish to keep lemon. Orange is put on the fabric. I wax the areas I wish to keep orange. Brown is applied. Wax the areas brown and add a black. Batik done. Hello gorgeous followers, this is a little challenge for you. I'm creating an abstract pattern without lifting my soft pencil off the fabric. It's one continuous line. I'm letting the pencil do the walking, do the talking, do the drawing and the designing, and I'm just going with the flow. You can absolutely do this too.